Hi everyone, so today in this video we'll be discussing about how this year's Ramzan is different from what we had in the previous years. These sort of circumstances were unprecedented and nobody imagined that. And before we start with our video, I'm just gonna give an intro for those who do not know what Ramadan is. So Ramadan is the 9th month of Islamic calendar. It's the holy month of fasting, spiritual reflection and prayers for Muslim. It is believed to be the month in which Prophet Muhammad revealed the holy book. The word Ramadan itself is taken from the Arabic word Ramad, an adjective describing something scorching dry and intensely heated by the sun. The difficulties we face during Ramadan is not surprising after all. Fasting during this month is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, along with daily prayers, declaration of faith, charity, and performing the Hajj pilgrimage in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Fast is intended to remind Muslims of suffering of those less fortunate and bring believers closer to Allah. So moving back to the topic, the first and foremost is this new whole experience of spending the entire day with family. Like सब साथ में सहरी के लिए उठेंगे, सब साथ में इफ्तार के लिए खाना खाएंगे. Like nobody's going anywhere, no office, no college, no school, nothing. And I'm loving it. This never happened before. At least because of this, we all are contributing to something. Somebody's making food, somebody's cutting onions, chopping vegetables and stuff. And it's really nice, I believe. Post-pandemic period will not just give you a strong bond with your family, but also will help you to have peace in here when you are at home. Now you're more used to seeing the person, and I think this erases the differences which you had earlier in our family, and yeah, good thing. Second, I think is it is way more easier now to fast because you're not going anywhere. You do not have any work apart from just staying at home in front of your laptop probably. That's the first time I will be fasting the entire month. In previous years, I always had some work. Like I always couldn't make it because I know the next morning I have to go to college and to any place. Not that I'm very happy about it. But yeah, that used to happen. But this time, Alhamdulillah, is going really well. And since we are not going outside this time because of the lockdown, that brings us to the third point. I was going to say fourth. Yeah, third point, that this time we won't be visiting the mosque and perform Taraweeh as well. You can do Taraweeh at home, but performing Taraweeh with everybody gives you a different experience. Like there's a reason we call this one the holy month, and it gives you a different vibe when you're doing it in the mosque. For those of you who do not know what Taraweeh is, it's the additional ritual prayers which you perform after the Isha, that is the night prayer. And this happens only in the month of Ramadan. Ramadan is the month where you go meet your friends, your family, your relatives, your neighbors, and you share food with them and other things as well, right? But this time it's totally different because nobody is going anywhere, and somehow it is important for us to stay at home because pandemic, like nobody imagined that. And it is best for us if we stays at our places and do not go anywhere this time and perform the namaz, the Taraweeh, the Eid namaz at our places only. One positive aspect of this pandemic which I saw yesterday, in fact, our elders are getting more used to with technology. Now we are more dependent upon the video chatting, dependent upon the video calling to our relatives, to our friends. That's the best alternate we have. In the previous Ramzans, the youngest member of the family has given this duty to deliver this plate full of food to that family, to that family, to that family, and the youngest person has to do it at any cost. And even when the person is fasting the entire day, he has to deliver the food. Sharing has given a lot of importance in the month of Ramadan. And what I meant by delivering the food is that only. It's a gesture by one family to another and showing compassion and love. But the real view of sharing here is to help the person who is in the need but is not able to ask for it. Like it is mentioned in the Quran, in fact. That's the best way you can share your food or any financial help which you can do in the month of Ramadan, and it is very much appreciated. So these were the post-pandemic differences I think are there, and in case if I missed something, do write it down in the comment section and let me know. And I think you guys have learned something today, so yeah, in case if you like this video, share it with your friends, like it, and I see you next time. Take care.